Welcome to Innovative Kids Educational Channel.
Hi. I'm Emma. What's your name? Hi, Emma. I'm Olivia. Nice to meet you. Are you new here too? Yes. It's my first day. I'm a little nervous. This school is so big. I know. I hope we don't get lost. Who's your teacher? Johnson. She seems really nice. Which class are you in? I'm in 1A. What about you? Where's the cafeteria? I'm already hungry. Let's ask someone or check the map. Do you know where the playground is? I think it's behind the school building. Look at that big library. Wow! I love reading. Let's go there later. I think I see the restroom sign. Good. Now we won't panic if we need to go. Where's the principal's office? I heard it's on the second floor. Do you want to sit together at lunch? Yes. Let's do that. What's your favorite subject? I love art. What about you? Do you like playing on the swings? Yes. Let's go at recess. Want to be my best friend? Of course. Best friends forever. What's your favorite game to play? I love hide and seek. What do we have first? I think it's math. Johnson seems really nice. Yes. She smiles a lot. I hope we don't have homework today. Me too. It's our first day. Did you bring all your books? I think so, but my bag is so heavy. Do you understand this question? A little bit. Let's ask the teacher. What did you bring for lunch? A sandwich. What about you? Let's trade snacks. Okay. You can have my cookies. Want to play on the slide? Yes. Let's race. Look. There's a jump rope. Let's take turns skipping. Do you want to play tag? Yes. You're it. I forgot my pencil. Do you have an extra one? Yes. Here you go. Your backpack is so pretty. Thanks. I love yours too. What's inside your pencil case? Lots of colorful pens and stickers. I love your lunchbox. Thanks. It has my favorite cartoon character on it. Do you have a notebook? Yes. Want to see my drawings? We have to raise our hands to speak. I'll remember that. We have to walk quietly in the hallway. That's a good rule. The bell means class is starting. Oh no! Let's hurry. We need to wash our hands before eating. That's important. We can't run in the classroom. Oops. I almost did. I heard there's a sports day next month. Wow. That sounds fun. Do you like singing? Yes. I hope we have a music class. There's a reading corner in the library. Let's go there together. I hope we do an art project soon. Me too. I love painting. There's a field trip next month. I can't wait. Today was so much fun. Yes. I'm so happy we met. What time do you leave school? At 3 p.m. Are you taking the school bus? No, my mom is picking me up. Will you be here tomorrow? Of course. See you then. Let's meet at the front gate in the morning. Yes. That's a great idea. Do you want to play after school? Yes. Let's ask our parents. What's your favorite TV show? I love cartoons. Do you have any pets? Yes. I have a cat named Whiskers. Let's have a play date this weekend. Yay! That sounds fun. Can we sit together tomorrow? Of course. What's your favorite color? Pink. What about you? Do you like ice cream? Yes. Chocolate is my favorite. Can you ride a bike? Yes. I learned last summer. What do you want to be when you grow up? A doctor. Do you like puzzles? Yes. They're so fun. I had the best day ever. Me too. I'm so happy we met. Me too. You're my best friend. See you tomorrow, Olivia. See you, Emma. Let's always be friends. Yes. Forever. Let's have more fun tomorrow. Yes. I can't wait. Do you like to draw? Yes. I love drawing animals. What's your favorite storybook? I love fairy tales. Do you know how to swim? A little bit. I'm still learning. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes, I have a little brother. Do you like singing songs? Yes. Let's sing together sometime. What's your favorite fruit? I love strawberries. Do you like playing with dolls? Yes. I have a big collection at home. Have you ever been to a zoo? Yes. I saw a giraffe up close. Let's play a guessing game. Okay. I love games. I'm so excited for tomorrow. Me too. Let's have another fun day.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.